Dear brother and sister, I have some question for you. Do you know who is Allah Almighty for? Who is the Holy Quran for? And who is the Prophet Muhammad for? If you ask these questions, any non-Muslim people like Hindu, Christian, Buddhist, he will reply, everything is for Muslim. Allah is for Muslim, the Holy Quran is for Muslim, and the Prophet Muhammad is also for Muslim. Even if you ask the same questions, any Muslim people, you will get same reply. So Muslim people and non-Muslim people, answer is totally same, identical, no difference at all. But the surprising thing is that if you ask the same questions to the Holy Quran, its answer will be totally exceptional, meaningful. It has used the general word. According to the Holy Quran, part 1, 2 and 22, Allah Almighty, the Prophet Muhammad and the Holy Quran are not only for Muslim, but they are also for Hindu, Christian, Buddhist. So the message of Islam is for all humanity, not for a single group.